Oh yeah, you know what time it is. First up,
Good boy on the beat.
see, introduction. In modest houses, my name, I know they cross my jackson. Don't make you no cross my lane. I know music is all about the money, flexing, not the fame. But my yato see Shaki, I swear, you're not the same. If I don't make money, but this life, God tell me who I go blame. Cause my speedometer is high. I'm on the flight mode. I don't wanna cross your lane, bro. That's why I play safe, in case you never know. Now you better know that modest houses around, overtaking is allowed. I've been in this game for so long, I think it's time to wear my crown. So that when my haters then go see me, they go start to frown. Me kilo jago mutyok Benny Malo 3 crown. Real niggas getting money from the Pakistan. Me I know the dog, Ella Berry, me fella shine like too much swag. I don't even need makeup before I find like wait till tomorrow go bring up a God decide. Oluwa bless me, yeah. No one text me, yeah. Why you won't fright me, yeah? Are you not frightened, yeah? I move from city to city, I'm on the best move. If you wanna try me, I tell you I'm gonna bet you. This is interesting, so impressing. When I step on stage, I make them dancing. Cause my flow's that bad, I'm on the best tune. I'm killing this shit, I'm the best. Took the road, me fast a lot to do, you know Jehovah made it. So I started from the bottom, now you see me heading to the top. We be keeping it real in all day. Me and my niggas, we keeping on track. Haters everywhere, them the hates, them they far away. Me or Rayoshi, if them like me, them downgrade. Or do what to pay me so okay. Let them know I'm the chosen one. Heading to the top, so you know I'm the best. You know more than this shit. No one cap, sukasa. Bring your best rap, I mean no for me, gotcha. No be too normal, start the race, that independent. Life isn't always a bed of roses. Repeat that. I just wanna show up on the television. Make all of my fans see the melody. Make a goddamn melodies down. Make my phone drive with no visa. I just wanna show up on the television. Make all of my fans see the melody. Make a goddamn melodies down. Make my phone drive with no visa.